He.
But she.
All right. She's a reserve
She belongs to
category.
reserve category.
State adoption.
But she actually the child whom she wants to take adoption of was under her custody from last few years because the loss of the mother of that child. And
Where did the lady get the child from?
the adjacent neighboring person.
All
Neighboring
right.
person. Huh? And that is a family friend of the petitioner, and the petitioner has applied for adoption to the authority of the said child. Well, a child is
Does the child not have any of his parents?
yes, parent is before your lordship also. I have
I'm for the father.
father is
You are
only
for
there.
the father. You do not have a wife. You are a widower.
Yes, I lost my wife 2 years back. My lord, this son is looking after by that lady
All right.
since long. My lord, I am having some spiritual affairs. My lord, I am going to be a saint.
All
My lord, I
right.
do not have any nexus with the family affairs. My lord, I also wanted that let
The
my
child to be put in
child be
adoption.
Be protected.
Yes.
Child should be protected.
his
Now problem is, brother, I have
future be protected.
the one significant part of the story is what the child is going to attain 18 years. That is the upper limit, age limit for the purpose of adoption. That will be on 23rd of January this year. And if 23rd is over, then adoption cannot be done. Because up to the age of 18 years, it can be
But
done.
aren't you required to approach before the learned civil judge in the lower court below?
Your Lord. Yes.
That was
Isn't it?
Under Hindu marriage. And
Yes.
adoption and
And why here? What
No,
is that report?
kindly, the woman and the child development notification, as per the woman and child development notification, I am to they make an application to the Central Adoption Resource Agency. First of all, without their there is a designated authority.
only three category of children. Yes, sir. Orphaned, abandoned.
Yes, yes.
That's
Right.
She is surrendered baby.
No, who is surrendering? The father is
Father.
there.
Father is surrendered.
If the father surrenders the baby to that adoption agency, then only all these notifications will come into
Let the
play.
sorry, my lord.
but the
I have
adopting
sympathy.
adoption agency, my lord, should apply its mind on the issue. Father is before your lordship.
My lord,
All agencies should take care of the said issue. I have made an application. Let him take care of it. But the authority has already on 2nd of December received my application.
No, but the authority doesn't have the authority to
Have the
consider
Kindly
it.
look at the regulation first. This is the regulation. The Joshua Din to এটা there is kindly come to page 159 of the said regulation, clause 35, State Adoption Resource Agency.
1 minute. Where is schedule 1? Please show me.
Schedule 1. Schedule 1.
Schedule 1. Schedule 1 at page 175. Certificate declaration and child legally free for adoption.
Yes.
In exercise of the Child Welfare Committee, in exercise of the power vested in the Child Welfare Committee under Section 30 of the Juvenile Justice, child, the date of birth, place of care of the
Date of
specialized-
surrender executed by the biological parents or the legal guardian. Where is it? An adoption can be done. Can you see? Number 2, inquiry report of the probation officer or the child welfare officer. Nothing is there. Declaration submitted by
That
the
is
district
exactly,
child.
my lord. I am wanting that period has not yet even over. Let the process start. Let the
Process.
this
My lord.
inquiry report should be there. Inquiry report of the probation officer. Where is that inquiry report? That has not started anything. I have only
Where is the deed of surrender? The father is still there.
I mean,
father has made a declaration by saying that I have no objection to the surrender of the
That
said
is
baby.
something else.
No.
That is not the requirement of this provision. There has to be a certificate. It cannot be
An
done.
application is to be made, my
Biological
lord. Lordship, can you come to
counsel inform including the placement of the child, which shall result in termination of legal relationship between the child.
kindly look at the power vested on the State Adoption Resource Agency.
Your Lordship, I wanted to surrender my son. Your Lordship, kindly come to page 57 of the writ petition.
Firstly, this is not your writ petition.
That's true.
I have annexed it.
This is not your writ petition.
Kindly come to page 159 of the said rule, regulation. Regulation, my lord, I have handed up to your lordship. Clause 35, State Adoption and Resource Agency.
Regulation 35.
35.
State adoption, yes.
Kindly come to clause 2.
Clause 2.
State Adoption Resource Agency shall function as the executive arm of the state government for promotion, facilitation, monitoring, and regulation of the adoption program in the state, and this function shall include publish contact details of the specialized adoption agency in the state, recommend renewal of recognition of to specialized adoption, conduct meeting with the specialized adoption, inspect and monitor the adoption program and activity of all specialized adoption, identify the child institution which are not recognized as specialized adoption. Next, for F, enforce standard of measures of adoption orphan, identity specialized adoption child care institution which has the capacity to provide quality care, and expedite the institutionalization of the children through adoption and other non-institutional care. Well, this is the duty of the state government, and so far as the central agency is concerned, my lord, that is also, my lord, covered here. Now, my lord, so my application to the state as also the central we have made as per the said regulation, and the authority has received it. Father is before your lordship. The petitioner is also before your lordship. She wants the child to take care of, my lord, in the interest of the welfare of the child, my lord. Let the process begin. District magistrate's power has been given at clause 36.
What is your age?
My age is 50 nearly, 46. Below 55. As per regulation 5, my lord, we have given the age criteria. Page 67. And criteria is well satisfied.
Why don't you take recourse to the adoption laws that is prevailing? Why you are going by this gazette notification? I do not find you to be a child eligible for adoption. The child does not appear so.
Child is less than 18 years.
No, not the age factor. Neither an orphan, nor abandoned, nor surrendered.
The husband
Legally declared free
father's-
for adoption by the Child
father-
Welfare Committee.
requirement
Not
of the
so.
father's affidavit is a demand of the authority, my lord, which I want the authority to, my lord, demand it.
No.
Paraphernalia should be
Show me
followed.
that law. Adoption laws. Show me once.
Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act.
Yes. Show me.
I'm not carrying that, my lord. I'm not carrying.
My lord, another provision, my lord.
Where is the adoption law? এখানে আছে স্ক্রিনে দেখালে হবে না, কয়েকটা জিনিস দেখতে হবে। তো মানে হিন্দু লটা
May I show something from their petition?
ইয়েস
That law will not be required to be seen at all.
স্পেশাল ম্যারেজ হিন্দু ম্যারেজ হিন্দু ল
আপনি কার হয়ে অ্যাপিয়ার করছেন?
Only state.
উনি
Yes.
কারা, উনি কারা?
Your lordship, first thing is the regulation they are showing to your lordship. That comes at a much later stage. First, they have to, if they go for the adoption procedure under Juvenile Justice Act, if they, but they cannot, because it is restricted only 3 kinds of children can go through that. But even if
Can the child not be treated as a surrendered child?
no,
No.
they can't. Because the definition is in section 2 of the juvenile justice.
Show me, show me.
If your lordship, that
I have the Hindu.
You are making submission without the law in your hand.
no, it is the prominent from here.
From where?
Here, I will show your lordship.
Please show.
First, so that comes at a later stage. The first stage is they have to register with the Kara. Central.
Yeah, that is exactly what we are doing.
They didn't register.
They did not register.
They didn't
That we applied it.
application question comes. There's no provision for written no provision. And kindly come to the application. Just that is page 47.
Page
47.
47.
See the prayer of the application, my lord.
Yes.
Say the prayer.
Only 2nd of January.
Your lordship. Your lordship. The prayer is therefore I requesting you with my two-folded hand kindly give permission to.